Diesel heater update. I made some changes. The heat from the inside. Where are you going? Who else wants to come out? Definitely not Henry. Brahmi, you coming out? No? You don't think so? No, thank you. Alright. Oh my god, it's cold. I think it's like low teens right now. Oh my god. 15? Is it? My face is freezing. Oh my god. My fingers are freezing. Oh, so cold. That's how much battery is charged up. Look at you. There's no grass on the ground, honey. What are you pecking at? They're out more often now since I started heater from the coop. I don't know what they're pecking off the ground though. There's nothing on the ground. They're eating like frozen dried grass or something. Pufus is ready to go back inside already. What are you eating, man? What's on the ground? It was a little bird. Black already ran inside. She's like, I had enough. What up for you guys? You gonna go inside? Yeah, it is freezing outside. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You too, buddy. Get inside, buddy. My fingers are freezing. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Alrighty. Look at your nose, so dirty. Yeah, you dirty girl. Yeah, she's looking pretty good now. Good. They're a little bored. I just brought them some treats, some lettuce and some beef liver. And they're all finished and now they're just bored. They've been digging. I don't know what Red found is so interesting over there. She's digging a hole. The heater has been working great. That is a rooter plate. Came with rooter plate. That's almost perfect. It's actually been working too good, too efficient. I've been using it only interval at a time.